Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Videotel Digital Wave Solution, a touchless interactive digital signage system designed for a new era of user engagement. This wellness solution aims to provide information and interaction without physical contact, a feature that's increasingly relevant. The core of the system is its ability to transform a standard digital display into an interactive experience using hand-wave gestures. The system features an attract screen that continuously loops content, drawing attention and providing baseline information. The magic happens when a user waves their hand near the sensor. This gesture triggers additional content, allowing for deeper engagement and information retrieval. One of the most appealing aspects of the Wave solution is its installation flexibility. The sensor can be discreetly mounted underneath non-metal materials up to 2 inches thick. This allows for seamless integration into various environments without compromising aesthetics. Whether it's mounted under a countertop, behind a panel, or within a display enclosure, the sensor remains hidden while still providing accurate gesture recognition. The Wave solution is designed to work with Videotel Digital's 4K VP71 XD or 4K VP90 industrial digital media players. The review unit came bundled with the 4K VP71 XD, a reliable player known for its smooth 4K playback and robust performance. The system supports both single and multiple sensor configurations, offering scalability for different applications and display sizes. This is particularly useful for larger displays or interactive walls where multiple interaction zones are desired. The package includes the Wave to Play sensor and the 4K VP71 XD digital signage player, providing a complete solution right out of the box. Setting up the system is relatively straightforward, involving connecting the sensor to the media player and configuring the desired content triggers. The system is designed for ease of use, allowing users to quickly deploy interactive digital signage without extensive technical expertise. The touchless nature of the Wave solution makes it ideal for environments where hygiene is a concern. Healthcare facilities, retail stores, and public spaces can benefit from this technology by providing information and interactive experiences without requiring physical contact. This not only reduces the spread of germs, but also provides a sense of safety and confidence for users. The Videotel Digital Wave solution offers a compelling approach to interactive digital signage. Its touchless gesture control, flexible installation options, and compatibility with robust media players make it a versatile solution for a wide range of applications. While the lack of a remote control might be a minor inconvenience for some, the overall functionality and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for businesses looking to enhance their digital signage capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.